Welcome back to another episode of the OPUS Owners Hub. Today we'll be showing you how to operate the new Fogatti Hot Water System that comes standard in our newest model hybrid caravans. First, confirm that the power switch outside the water heater is turned on, then ensure the camper's power is on along with the camper's pump switch. You can select which water tank to draw from in the bottom cabinet. Turn the valve towards the front of the camper for the front water tank and towards the rear for the rear tank, or leave it in the middle to draw from both tanks. You'll need to make sure the camper's gas bottle is properly connected and the gas valve is open. Now go to your remote control and press the controller on/off key. You can set your temperature using the up and down arrows. The setting range is between 35 and 51 degrees. Once set, it will flash 5 times and then switch to the current water temperature. And that's it, you should be able to use hot water throughout your camper. Don't forget to turn off the system when it's not in use.